So today, just to let you guys know, my son is recording. Signs and sounds. You're not even paying attention to me, are you?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, so I went to Home Depot today because I'm trying to make a centerpiece for my dining table to put candles or flowers on, just to give it some type of pizzazz. So I decided to try out tile. And so I went to Home Depot, and me and my husband looking around. We saw a tile, you know, and we wanted something kind of unique. So I found this tile. And so it was 39 cents. So I decided to get 4 of them. And so I took them up to the cashier, and they rang it up. It rang up a penny. She's like, I can't sell to you a penny. I gotta give it to you free. So we went and got the rest of them. It was 2 boxes of them. So we got all these tiles for nothing. It was free. So I guess there are some things in life you get for free. But pan over this way. I'm going to make a pattern with it. Bear with me as I figure it out. And what I'm going to do is, tell me if you can see. I can't tell. Let's do this. So this is what the pattern's going to look like. And then I'm going to put, no, I got it. I'm going to put, I guess you call them like the soft pads you put on our chair so they don't drag. I'm going to put that underneath. And what I'm going to use is, I'm going to use,
Look at your daughter.
I'm going to use Gorilla Glue, clear glue to adhere all this. And we will see what the finished product looks like. Stay tuned. Okay guys, this is the finished product. It looks so good. If you know me, when I get excited about stuff, my voice goes up higher and I kind of start singing everything. But the table centerpiece came out great. I guess that's what you would call it. I have no idea, but I just knew I wanted something to sit on my table, and I thought this is the best idea. The flowers are fresh. They're from Trader Joe's. I always have fresh flowers on my dining table. The vase is from the thrift store for 99 cents. And this napkin holder is from IKEA. I believe it was either $2.99 or $3.99. But let me show you the star of the show. Isn't it beautiful? Let me tell you, if there's anything you're trying to glue, Gorilla Glue is the way to go. I'm not being sponsored by Gorilla Glue. I mean, if they want me to, I'll be happy to. That is just a bad plug. But anyway, Gorilla Glue will glue almost anything because I use it all the time for projects like this, or wood glue. I mean, that's the way to go. But this came out really good. It's really heavy because it's tile, but I just want to show you on the bottom, I put a piece of cardboard so the tile won't scrape up the dining room table. But this is an awesome DIY. I'm just like, this is one of my favorites right now. And the best part about it, it was free. I mean, to get these tiles for nothing, just for free. I guess you can get some things for free in life. But if there's a DIY project you are doing, I would love for you to comment below and tell me what you're doing, because I love watching DIY videos and just getting ideas. You know, when it comes to things like this, you gotta think outside the box, because, you know, things like this, you're not gonna find this in a store. If you do, let me know. But for not for the price I paid, which was nothing. But thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoy DIY videos because I love making them. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button. Don't be shy. Just hit it. Go ahead. I'll wait. I'll give you some time. Just take that mouse and hit subscribe. Also, please put on your notification bell and also give me a like if you enjoy my DIY videos because it helps my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until we meet again, guys, have a very blessed day.